Alright, so your Magic Chef microwave is not working. The fuse keep blowing. Alright, so watch this video. I'll show you the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so there's no power. Alright, so this is the fuse here, and this fuse it keep blowing. Alright, let me get some. Alright, so like I said, this is the fuse here, and the fuse in the microwave it keep blowing. Now one of the main causes why the fuse keep blowing is because it could be the magnetron, it could be capacitor, it could be diode, it could be the circuit board, it could be transformer. But in this case, it's none of those things but the capacitor. So the fuse keep blowing because of the capacitor, right? So I will take out the fuse. And this is very strange because normally the fuse will be on top here, and on top here they have a noise filter. Right, so every microwave is supposed to have a noise filter, a circuit board. Let me show you what a noise filter is. Alright, so this is a noise filter, right? So normally noise filter does be on top here. Right on top here is the with the fuse. But in this microwave we don't have any noise filter. Now a noise filter is to prevent the humming in the microwave. Alright, so this is a side. Let's see, this is 25 amp. Alright, so this is a 15 amp, and you can alright, so you check for continuity. Alright, so you get nothing, so this is dead, right? So I'll put on another fuse. Alright, so I'll put on another fuse, and you will see difference. Alright, so you come on. Alright, so it's working. Come on. You can now change the fuse. And if you watch, you will see I was put it for 12 seconds. And if you watch, you'll see the fuse blow again. Alright, so the capacitor is 0.77 UF. Now it could be either 3% more, 3% less. Alright, so alright, so secure that. Put back the high voltage diode and connections together the same way. And now it's time to put on the fuse. Alright, so right. I will run it for 12 seconds and see what happened. Alright, so I'll run for the next 12 seconds again. And you can see the fuse working because of the capacitor. So the problem was the capacitor, right? Now why the fuse keep blowing is the capacitor. And now that it changed, everything working good. Alright, so put back this together. It unplugged, so don't worry. Unplug it. Alright, so there you have it. So your Magic Chef microwave, it working again because of it needed a capacitor. So it's working again and everything is okay. So thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.